welcome back to my channel. So this video is a break in between Halloween and when I start my Christmas. So if you don't already know, around about a month ago, if you follow me on Instagram, something incredible happened. I had a bit of a fangirl moment. So RESIN ACE is a resin artist here on YouTube, and I'm a big fan, and I have to say he's been nothing but supportive towards me. He actually made me a custom made Claire's Crafty Corner mould. So he made this for me, absolutely chuffed to bits. Not only did he make this mould for me, he sent me the original casting, which means I can make more in the future if I want to. Not only that, he actually sent me the oil to put inside the shaker. He also sent me some amazing little bits and bobs to put inside the shaker. I just think these are seriously cute, and you can just about work out here. He sent me the acetate hearts. He also sent me the needle to inject the oil into the shaker. Seriously, RESIN ACE, you're amazing, and I hope I do this justice. The resin I'm using for this video is from Craft Resin. Craft Resin did send this to me just to review it, and I absolutely love it, so I'm going to continue on using this stuff. It is 1:1 ratio, guys, so if you are new to resin, honestly 1:1 does not get any easier. There's no maths. This has been left for 2 days. I'm so excited. Oh, it's coming away like a dream. Remember to be careful with your moulds, because after a while your moulds do become old and they will rip. These are all things that I'm learning, so you want to demold real carefully. Right, you ready? Oh my goodness, I can already see where I've made a mistake here in the corner, but it shouldn't affect it. Oh, I love it. Oh, I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. So I UV resined around this little ledge. I put the acetate heart in. So now it is effectively a shaker, but I am going to fill this with the mineral oil that Resin Ace sent me. And I'm also scared of this bit. There is a tiny hole here at the bottom. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. No, but it's right here. I'm going to put the needle in there and fill it up with that oil. Oh my god, you make this look so easy. How do you do that? So, okay, there's spillage. It's okay, it's okay. I'll get a tissue and clear it up. Right, I have dried all that off and I've just wiped the surface here with a little bit of alcohol on a cotton bud. I'm just going to plug this hole now with UV resin and set that really quickly. And here it is, the finished shaker. I'm so happy. To finish it off here, I've put a coat of UV resin. Now I know Resin Ace, you usually use epoxy resin here, but it was such a tiny amount. I didn't want to just mix up a tiny amount, so I have used epoxy there. Can you see the way all of those little sequins shake inside? I love it. I absolutely love the way my first shaker has turned out. I'm so happy. So yeah, let me know what you all think. I absolutely love it. Resin Ace, you are amazing. I really appreciate you sending me the mould, making me the mould, sending me all of the little bits to go along with this, because I really would not have known where to start, where to get everything from. So big massive thank you guys. Go check out Resin Ace's channel. He really is an ace at resin, and I truly appreciate this gift. Thank you so much, and let me know what you all think in the description box below. Not in the description box, in the comment section. Love hearing from you guys. So in love with this. Really love it. Thank you so much for watching, and my next video will be Christmas and I cannot wait. See you there. Bye.